Customer rang up. A mobile mechanic has been out to him. Put a new sump on it. Couldn't get the bolts out the sump. So ripped the sump down and snapped the rear main oil seal off. Who he is?
Hey, yo.
Who is it?
Weird Al.
Weird Al Vlogs. Look at him. His desk is all tidy.
I'm a change man.
He's got his computer stuff going on. There's Pete. Oh wait, I can't get it. He won't focus on you. There's Pete. Look how happy Pete is.
There, son.
Morning, Simon.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Kai. Right, come on, let's go and show you what we're doing. Right, so young Rossi, who's going to be our new young diag tech. Hey, Rossi. He's got such a lively personality. It's crazy. Anyway, right, so it's Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Wednesday. Yeah. Don't forget to click subscribe to this video. I'm going to show you around what we've all got on this morning, and I'm going to crack on with my day. So this was last night's job, this mocker, 16 plate. The spark plugs were heavily worn, so we're going to change them. Kai's going to put them in a minute. We're going to put them on the side here just for now. We're going to go next door. No, not yet, buddy. We've got Simon just going out in the Volvo. That's had a PCV valve on the... what's that, Kai? What? He's had a new PCV valve on the rocker cover because it was sucking air in too much. There's Warnell's dropping some wrecking off. That's lost its ignition. This one was coming for a timing chain, but the timing chain ain't noisy. So Twiggy's on this. So it's got a noisy fuel pump, I think. It's got rattly bits around there. So that's that. Michael has disappeared, so we don't know where he is today. He's over there. He's doing the old beautiful wet belt on a... He's going back together already. He's going back together already. All right, okay. I was just hoping. My phone's ringing. Let me just get this phone. Good afternoon, everyone. Dean Lomas, the Neurodivergent mechanic here. Got a belter of video coming up, so stay tuned and click the subscribe button. Latest taters. Right, so MGA. It's had a pair of batteries. It's had Dizzy Cat plugs and rotor. HTs are going to go on it. And we've got oil filter to go on. I'm doing a pair of batteries, a little auxiliary battery and a main battery on a Range Rover. And then I've got some radius and pads to do on it. That'll be easy.
Seen this?
Right, go on, let's have a look at this. So, this vehicle here is a T5, T6, whatever you want to call it, T6.1. Customer rang up. A mobile mechanic has been out to him. Put a new sump on it. Couldn't get the bolts out the sump, so ripped the sump down and snapped the rear main oil seal off. You know, that person needs to go and stack shelves or something, because that's just disgraceful. That is awful, isn't it?
What's it?
The main bearing. The main bearing for the crank. Literally just snapped the back end off. I went, oh yeah, sorry mate, I'll put some sealer on it. You can't just put some sealer on, that's bad. Oh dear. There you go, so it's meant to have the bottom bit, and it's not. Hey, look at them grumpy people there. He's grumpy, because I keep on turning radio down. Because the copyright on my YouTube, every video I've made has been like, copyright, can't have music in the background, and I'm too tight to buy the license, etc. Anyway, I'll show you this little beauty. Look at that badge. Destroyer of all everything. So I fitted that battery, the little one. I fitted that battery. I'm just going to go and get my think car tool, and I'm going to program him in. Oh, here's Simon. Hello. So here he is on his second job of the day. Third job of the day. It's only just brew time. Yeah. Right, so we've got the aircon pressure test kit on. Little oxygen-free nitrogen bottle. Moz doing an MOT on the United Utilities. Balls, just walked into the device. New condenser. He's going to leave it for 10 minutes. We've put the little red marker on there so he knows where it's up to. There's Kai. We're going to put a set of radius and pads on this. Young Arlo. Right, let's crack on. Look at him there. Right, what have you done here, Mike?
Wet belt, oil pump belt.
Love it. Oh, we love it, don't we? Something been off. Oh, all right, okay.
Clean the little secret filter.
Yes. Oh, you put the oil pump belt on while the sump's still on? Yeah. You can get it on there. Nice. Magic, mate. Have you done the little filter? Where's the filter?
It's in there.
Oh, in there? Little tiny filter. So if any of you don't know, always take that Allen key out and do your filter. I love these. They've got Lasertools timing toolkit. Where's the box? Yeah. Look at that.
It's already had a belt.
It's already had a belt. There you go. Oh, 8239. We love these, don't we? These are your favourites, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah.
Right. So I pushed these with my finger, but he's put it in a... Look. What the...
It's first time.
What the... No way. Blown my head apart. What are you doing on this one, Simon?
Just do the bottom arm.
Bottom arm? You like a bottom arm?
I don't like the bottom.
They're a big heavy one. Thanks, mate. Oh, cup of tea. I'm doing an aircon test on this. Thing is still over there, working on that Insignia. Yeah, look at these two cheeky munchies riddling in my box here. Look at them here.
Just nicking on your tools.
What have you lost?
No,
oh, yes.
Getting the correct
Show
tool.
us what that one is, Kai.
Correct tool for the correct job.
It's a seal remover. I got this. Must be, where is it? Whoa, there it is. 20 odd years ago. That's mint. Put my name on it because people used to nick it. Right, everyone. Dean Lomas here, the Neurodivergent mechanic. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click subscribe. I don't know which way it is, but don't forget to click through it. Let me show you what I'm doing now. It's a proper good job. You don't get these. These are unicorns. It's 9:40. He's having a new alternator. I've just took it out of that hole there. Loads of space, loads of room. Just measure in. They just pulled the seal out.
There we go.
Where is it?
That's why she's leaking.
Oh, the little spring seals come off. Spring of the back of the seal. You be very careful with that. You put that in Simon's hand, buddy, and he'll. What's this? It's a little Igo. Oh. Leaking drive shaft seal. We'll get that topped up. I brought our thingy tub up there.
Oh yes.
Our oil filler. Anyway, I'm going to fit this. Oh, it's going to take me ages to get in this gap here. The world's gone by me with the new stuff. I wish I could work on this every day. Oh no, I've been working on this Volvo and I've dropped my 10mm spanner. Look at that. Look at that. Loads of room. You'd never see that again if it was a normal car. Well, nowadays on. Let me show you a great thing as well. If this is a VW, that bolt what goes through that way on a Volvo would go that way and it'd stick an EGR, a turbo, an inlet manifold, a DPF and everything behind it. Right, so what I'm going to do is show you this. Hang fire a second, Simon. We've got the Ring Automotive RBA G950. I think this is the best battery or charging starting system tester on the market, without a doubt. Start your engine, rev it between 2.5 and 3. just fitted the alternator on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try and get a better picture. Rev it to between 1500 and 2. Let it idle. Look at that. Absolutely brilliant. Press the print button. DC low mast, the address, the phone number, what it is, its ticks. This is no word of a lie. I've never ever used a battery tester as good as this. You got your QR code, you've got all your information, the customer's got a full report. That is belting. Thanks, Simon, turn it off. Morning, everyone.
Morning.
How are we?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm really good. Where are we going, Sam?
We're going to Walsall Tyres.
Walsall Wood Tyres, seeing our mate, my mate Nathan, Nathan Taylor from Walsall Wood Tyres. We'll see Craig, who's always on Facebook, telling us some great information about the MOTs. And we're going to see our great friend, Carl Williams, who is our business coach. What else? Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click subscribe, wherever it is, and we'll catch you in a minute.
Bye.
Hey up, Jack.
Hey, Huff, how are we doing?
I'm alright, what are you doing?
Oh, just finishing up.
Just finishing up. There's Cade.
Hey up.
I'll show you what's going on. Let's go and show you. I can't show you that guy there. He don't work here. Look at this. Look at all these old data people. Look at this. What's happened to me garage? It's turned into a, I don't know. The stage, I knew it'd be on stage. Not allowed Mike's face. Get Mike's face off it. There he is. Oh,
Look at the inside.
look at this. He only came in for a bulb, mate. We got a stage, we got all data. Ready to rock and roll. Big TVs. My garage has been shoved in the race room. Wow. Right, let's get it cleaned up. Ready to go? Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want many more and you want to get a notification that the next one's out, click subscribe, whichever way it may be, and I'll get some more out. See you in a bit.